What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, we're all looking for news related to the cryptocurrencies that we follow. And when it comes to something like XRP, you know that we have kind of the bare minimum when it comes to news. We've been sitting on maybe just hovering around this case and thriving and salivating over any type of information that we can get from this case, because that's the only thing that will give us the clarity and the push to getting to the levels that we all want to. Let's just be frank. As investors, we want it to rise. We want to be able to gain something in the end. But not only do we want to gain something, investment wise and gain wise, we want to be able to gain an ability to utilize XRP, to utilize cryptocurrency in the real world, whether we're going through banks, whether we're going through standard transactions, or whether we're just sending it to the next person. We want to make it as easy as possible for everybody that is involved. And XRP has that ability, being fast, being secure, being cheap, and just being the best option to do all of those things for us. So I want to take the time to talk about XRP in this video. Make sure you guys take some time to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links down below, feel free to check out those links. It does help out the channel. One of those links will be for Margex. If you guys want to start trading on Margex, honestly is a really, really good platform. And, I really want to put you onto a great leverage trading platform to where you can, kind of work through your leverage trading strategy and really build up the access to all of these funds, to building more funds with a small amount of funds, utilizing your money and utilizing other people's money to make yourself more money. You don't only just want to use your $100, but how about you use Margex's extra $400 that they can give you if you had a 5X? Or if you see a true opportunity, you can end up looking at a 100X and maybe take $10,000 and start trading with that. But that's only if you have a sound strategy. But in order to work your way up to that point, you can easily do that with just testing out, a dollar trades here, $5 trades there, 5X trade there, and all of that. So make sure you check that out. The link is in the description. Anyways, let's take some time to talk about XRP and understand that we may be closer to an ETF coming than you think. And we do have the timeline. We have a former Ripple director that basically will, talk about this timeline and what will happen as far as the XRP ETF and what that could do for the position. Like I said, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If we wanted to look at XRP and where it stands, it currently sits around 55 cents. It's at 54.6, 54.7. You see it's up about 1.5% on the day, which is absolutely phenomenal to see that it's up, especially while we saw the rest of the market that has been down yesterday, and things are starting to recover a little bit today, getting closer and closer to the $1 trillion market cap overall, right? Or sorry, $2 trillion market cap overall. If we look at XRP's market cap, we're looking at about a $30 billion market cap with $1.1 billion worth of volume. That's consistent. We always see billions of dollars, maybe even 2 billion or 3 billion at times, but we see a lot of money that flows through XRP because it is a very, very popular position. But even though we have that popularity, all of this movement has happened elsewhere. We've seen Solana, we've seen Bitcoin, we've seen Ethereum, and everything else that has been moving and has made a major move from where it was, except XRP was down to 50 cents a while ago. And then it rose up to 70 cents, decreased back down to 50 cents, increased to 90 cents, decreased back down to 50 cents. And then it even increased to 75 multiple times, and then it decreased back down to below 50 cents. So it's been at these ranges when honestly it should be a lot higher. And the reason why it's a lot higher is because of multiple things, right? We have the main thing, which is the XRP or Ripple case, right? We have uncertainty as to what XRP is going to be, but we do have clarity behind XRP and whether it is a security or not, where it was labeled as not a security. But that's the main problem. And then another problem would be the factor of people keep on bringing up dilution and how dilution is a main issue with seeing basically half the supply that's still out there that could be implemented, right? But a big positive that we have, right, besides if we come out with a positive through the Ripple case, would be potentially an ETF. And we saw what Bitcoin, the build up to Bitcoin's ETF and what happened after the ETF was implemented and where it stands now. But an ETF honestly creates consistency. It creates more traditionalists getting into the market and believing in this a lot more. And when traditionalists get in, they have more of a buy and hold mentality. And that's what we're looking for within a lot of projects, is that buy and hold mentality, so people can create strength as these investments come in. And you don't really see too much of a negative on things because most people are holding. So as people are buying, you're seeing the combination of the holders as well as the new buyers. And if people are holding as people start to sell, you still have the strength of those holders. But the problem is that we don't really have that right now. We have people that are swing trading and day trading right now, and it is a little bit of an issue. But when we get into some of the news, we have a former Ripple director. He sets a timeline on the first XRP ETF and Ripple IPO. So excitement is buzzing in the XRP community regarding the potential arrival of an XRP exchange-traded fund and Ripple's initial public offering. Although there are no official timelines yet, Sean McBride, a former Ripple director, has shared his perspectives or his predictions, sparking debates and generating excitement, which obviously anytime XRP ETF is mentioned, it does create excitement, even though the Bitcoin ETF created some negativity, honestly, as it was implemented. When we saw it launched and we saw it go through, it was fine. And then maybe the day after, throughout regular trading, we saw some selling. We saw that things were decreasing for Bitcoin from a level of like 48,000 all the way down to like 38,000. So dropping by like $10,000 overall. So let's scroll down here. Right, so actually, let's go over here. So McBride suggests that the XRP spot ETF could emerge between 2024 and 2025. That's a large range. This optimism comes after the recent approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs, which has opened doors for similar investment products tied to other major cryptocurrencies. However, it's important to note that McBride's time frame is based on his insights and lacks concrete evidence, leaving room for interpretation. So while the approval of Bitcoin's ETFs have given hope for XRP ETF, there are significant regulatory obstacles to overcome. Unlike Ethereum's ETF that have gained popularity, the ongoing SEC lawsuit against Ripple adds complexity to the approval process of an XRP ETF. Despite calls from the public, no major asset manager has officially filed for an XRP ETF in the United States. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse acknowledges the possibility, but also highlights the uncertainty considering the unpredictable nature of regulatory processes. And I think this is honestly a big piece of this, and I really just wanted to explore the ETF part of it, but I think this is a really big piece of it. While we still do understand that that is a possibility to see the ETF, and we know, I believe that it is coming, and the time frame makes sense between 2024 and 2025. It could happen early, it could happen later. But the point is that you want to see clarity with the case first, so that now you can start to see an uprise and people are like, yeah, you know what? Asset managers are like, yes, I'm filing for this XRP ETF. I think we're going to have a lot of the major cryptocurrencies actually have an ETF associated with it to create that stability that we all want to see within a cryptocurrency. So, or within the entire market, honestly. So you guys let me know what you think. Do you think the XRP ETF is actually going to make it here? Or do you think it's something that's just kind of smoke and mirrors? That's just not, I don't even know if that's a saying. It's just not going to come, and it's not going to be here anytime soon. And honestly, is just something that should be dismissed. It shouldn't be something that's thought of. Let me know your opinion in the comment section below. But I honestly think an XRP ETF, as well as other ETFs, will create a ton of strength and a ton of stability to the entire market. So I think it's necessary for the future. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Check out Margex, check out my Patreon down below, and also get yourself an XRP t-shirt. If you guys want to sport just the logo on your t-shirt, feel free to check that out. Link is in the description. I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.